Now, I invite two very budding violinists in the form of Satvik and Shravan. I request them to come on stage. Uh, I met them in a party organized by our wonderful Kirti here, and I really fell in love with them. So I invited them to perform here today. So when we perform puja, we say Vadyam Samarpayami, Geetam Shravayami, Natyam Samarpayami. So we are doing Vadyam Samarpayami to Krishna today. So Satvik and Shravan, please come. Please welcome them with a round of applause. When we clap, we get an opportunity to wake up. So Shravan and Satvik, Srinivasan, I would not call them budding violinists anymore after listening to them perform. They are really getting to be professional violinists, very accompanying a lot of accomplished artists. They are the students of Sri Akkarai Swaminathan. Am I correct? Because I am not wearing my glasses today, so I apologize. And Vidushi Akkarai Somalatha. They are in grade 9 of RE Mountain High School, Langley. And today they will be performing Samaja Varagamana. Am I correct? Or did I surprise you both? No? And they will be accompanied by Sudarshan. And Sudarshan and Satvik and Shravan will stay on for the next performance, which is something I have been looking forward for a long time. From the Sapasa, Vancouver Sapasa, Vidyasagarji, I have heard so much, and today is my wonderful opportunity to have him perform for Gita Jayanti. So after their performance, the team from Sapasa, Vancouver will join Satvik and Shravan to continue the concert. Not loud enough. Not loud enough. Wonderful. Thank you very much. How many of you would like to have me, with their parents' permission, organize a 1 hour kacheri from these two? Okay, commit. I will talk to them. It will be a paid kacheri, paid by me. Okay, wonderful. Absolutely. One more round of applause for. So, we finally got Vancouver brothers. Violin is something we were struggling to find locally, so we have to, I think we will slightly reshuffle. So thank you very much for a fantastic rendition. The next program, and also I have to say this, how Krishna makes arrangements. Sorry? Yeah? Yeah, he will be part of that. Yeah. Sri, Sudarshan, fantastic. Thank you, Sudarshan, for beautifully accompanying them. Thank you. How Krishna makes arrangements. Today, we were supposed to do some cooking in the kitchen here. But after we came here at 2:30, we were told that we cannot cook here. It came as a surprise and a shock to us. Because we had plans to even the kashaya that is made, how wonderfully our kids responded to that. Immediately took all the vessels to my backyard, did the kashayam in my backyard, and they did the cooking, whatever is needed in the backyard in the minimum time that they had. So if anybody complains about food today, I will take you for a task, because they have really stepped up in a situation where they were not sure. Second thing, I was not able to read from my text. I'm talking only because they are settling down. I was unable to read because I forgot my glasses. And then Mr. Anand comes. I had gone to his house and forgotten his spec there. Today he brings after 2 months. So suddenly he brings from his pocket and gives the specs to me. So now I can read things properly. So thank you, Anand. So Krishna makes arrangements. So wonderful. So Sapasa, Vancouver. This is Geeta Samarpanam by Vancouver Sapasa. Vancouver Sapasa is a BC registered non-profit society for promoting Carnatic music and Bharatanatyam. Sapasa has conducted over 100 concerts and Aradhana since 2002. When I came, this was the only name I heard when it came to classical music at that time. The school has a separate entity called Sangeeta Maruti Arts Academy, devoted to teaching music and dance to children and adults in Lower Mainland, and it has trained over 30 students in the past 20 years. Today, the Geeta Jayanti performance will be graced by Kanishai Nimaldas. Did I get the name right? Kanishai Nimaldas. She is a grade 9 student. Riya Singh. Riya Singh was my first Bhagavad Gita double-quoted student. So when we met her parents today, we asked, where is Riya? She is Riya now. So children grow up so beautifully. So Riya Singh, grade 9 student. Pranava Vankyala. Oh, he couldn't come today. Okay. He is performing somewhere else, let's say that. And we have Harshini Sitaram, a PhD candidate at SFU, and Sharvari Somayaji, PhD student at UBC, and Rohan Devaraj. They didn't give we are the only one they didn't mention which grade or anything. Exactly. So we assume, we will leave it to them looking at you, grade 4. Okay, and they will be joined by Satvik and Shravan, who just performed so beautifully, and our own Yogesh Kudwa. One round of applause for him. There is a reason. Wherever performances happen, this Guruji of mine, I call him Guru, Yogesh Kudwa, selflessly accompanies anybody who needs accompaniment. So wonderful to see Yogesh Kuduba here. And also we have a fantastic, we already heard Sri Sudarshan on Mridanga. He did a fantastic job. So this is the team here. With that, over to Sapasa Vancouver. Hare Krishna.
Thank you very much, Girishji. It will take us just a few minutes. Please bear with us. We challenged the audio team today, saying all of us are going to sing together. So lots of mics to set up. But while we are setting up, again, Hare Krishna to everybody. So beautiful to see such a good participation. Many children coming together today. And as Girishji said, our special thanks to Yogeshji for playing tabla for us. And Sudarshan for joining us on the Mridangam. Satvik and Shravan, you already heard how talented they are. And from that side, Rohan has been my student for many years. Finished his graduation a few years ago, completed university at University of Waterloo, and he is now a working man. Ria and Kanisha are both grade 9. Students. Harshini and Sharvari are PhD students. And as you can see, they work very hard at the university, very busy lives, but super talented kids. I'm very proud of them. Today we'll be singing for about 25 minutes, and we'll try to keep you guys on schedule. We chose a variety of languages and a variety of songs. The first song is in Manipravalam language. So that's the older traditional language from the state of Kerala. It's Malayalam with a lot of Sanskrit words. And the song we chose was Gopalaka Pahimam, written by Maharaja Swati Tirunal, a well-versed composer from Kerala. He wrote beautiful music in many languages, pretty much every South Indian language, and Marathi and Hindi, so you will enjoy that. Then we picked a Tamil song, a very popular Tamil song, Alai Paide Kanna. Again, you will recognize the lyrics. After that, we are going to sing a Kannada song, Kagada Bandi Deyanamma by Sri Purandara. Then we will switch to a slightly different genre. Ria is going to sing an Abhang by Sant Tukaram, and we will conclude with a Vasudeva Ashtakam with all of us singing together. So we hope you will like the garland of offerings of music we have. Again, thanks to Girishji and the organizers for giving us this opportunity. Thank you. So first we'll begin with a Swati Tirunal Kriti. This ragam is called Reva Gupti, and like I said, it's Manipravalam language. This is in 7-beat talam. In Carnatic tradition, we call it Mishra Chapu. In Hindustani tradition, we call it Krishnaya Vasudevaya Krishnaya Vasudevaya Haraye Paramatmane Pranata Kleshanashaya Govindaya Namo Namaha Gopalaka Pahimam Gopalaka Pahimam Radhamai Gopalaka Pahimam Padaradhamai Gopalaka Pahimam Tava Padaradhamai Gopalaka Pahimam
ವಿಮೋಚನ ಪಾಪ ವಿಮೋಚನ ಪವಿದರಾದಿನ ತಪದ ಪಲ್ಲವ ಪಾಪ ವಿಮೋಚನ ಪವಿದರಾದಿನ ತಪದ ಪಲ್ಲವ ತಾನಾದರಿತಂ ತರಿನು ತರಿತ ಧೃತ್ತಿಲಾನತನದಂ ತನದರಿ ಧೃತ್ತ ಗಿಡಗ ಜಂ ಜಂ ಧೃತ್ತ ಗಿಡಗ ಜಂ ಜಂ ಧೃತ್ತ ಗಿಡಗ ಜಂ ಜಂ ಗೋಪಾಲಕ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾ ಅನಿಶಂ दुःखदति मृदशन सरोष भीत मातृवीक्षित सा दुःखदति मृदशन सरोष भीत मातृवीक्षित भूधर जलनिधि मुख बहुविध भुवन जाल ललित मुखाम्बुज भूधर जलनिधि मुख बहुविध भुवन जाल ललित मुखाम्बुज तानातरितं तरिनु तरित दृक्तिलान तनदं तनदरि दृक्ता गिर्ग जं जं दृक्ता गिर्ग जं जं दृक्ता गिर्ग जं जं गोपालक पाहि मां अनिशं रस रस सुवचन सरोजनावलोकनायक सा रस रस सुवचन सरोजनावलोकनाय भूरि करुण तनुजित मनसिज भुजगराज शयना हरे रस रस सुवचन सरोजनावलोकनाय भूरि करुण तनुजित मनसिज भुजगराज शयना मुरशासन गोपालक पाहि मां तव पदरतमहि गोपालक पाहि मां पदरतमहि गोपालक पाहि मां रतमहि गोपालक पाहि मां अनिशं
The next song is Alai Paidehim. This is a very famous composition in Tamil by Uttakkadu Venkat Subbayar. Very well known, and this is set in Ragam Kannada, Aditalam.
Alai Paayude Kanna
அழைக்கவோ இதர மாதங்களை கழிக்கவோ கதறி மனமுருகினால் அழைக்கவோ இதர மாதங்களை கழிக்கவோ இது தகுமோ இது முறையோ இது தர்மம் தானோ இது தகுமோ இது முறையோ இது தர்மம் தானோ
உழலூதிடும் பொழுது ஆடிடும் உலகை போலவே மனது வேதனை வாயுதே கண்ணா என் மனம் அலைவாயுதே உன் ஆனந்த மோகன வேணுகானமது அலைவாயுதே கண்ணா என் மனம் அலைவாயுதே கண்ணா
Thank you. Agadabandi Denamma. This is in Kannada language, Sri Purandaradasa composition. This is in Maya Malagala Ragam, Aditala.
ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮಲನಾಭನದು ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮಲನಾಭನದು ಕಾಗದವನ್ನು ಓದಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಲವ ಕಳೆಯಿರೋ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮಲನಾಭನದು ಈ ಕಾಗದವನ್ನು ಓದಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಲವ ಕಳೆಯಿರೋ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮಲನಾಭನದು ಈ ಕಾಗದವನ್ನು ಓದಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಲವ ಕಳೆಯಿರೋ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮಲನಾಭನದು ಈ ಕಾಗದವನ್ನು ಓದಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಲವ ಕಳೆಯಿರೋ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮಲನಾಭನದು ಕಾಮಕ್ರೋಧವ ಬಿಡಿರೆಂಬೋ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೇಮನಿಷ್ಠೆಯೊಳಿರಿರೆಂಬೋ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಕಾಮಕ್ರೋಧವ ಬಿಡಿರೆಂಬೋ
ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೇಮನಿಷ್ಠೆಯ ಉಳಿರಂಬೋ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ
ತಾಮಸ ಜನರ ಕೂಡಿದಿರೆಂಬೋ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ತಾಮಸ ಜನರ ಕೂಡಿದಿರೆಂಬೋ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಮನಯ್ಯನು ತಾನೇ ಬರೆದ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮಲನಾಭನದು ಈ ಕಾಗದವನ್ನು ಓದಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಲವ ಕಳೆಯಿರೋ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮಲನಾಭನದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಕಣ್ಣೀರೆಂಬೋ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಗೆ ಹರಿಯದಿರೆಂಬೋ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ
ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಕಟ್ಟೀರಂಬೋ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹರಿಯೈರಂಬೋ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ
ಲಜ್ಜೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕುಣಿರಿರೆಂಬೋ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಲಜ್ಜೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕುಣಿರಿರೆಂಬೋ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನು ತಾನೇ ಬರೆದ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಕಾಗದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮಲನಾಭನದು ಈ ಕಾಗದವನ್ನು
Next is an Abhang. This is in Marathi language, Sant Tukaram's composition. It's a very famous Abhang by Suresh Algankar. Riya is going to lead us in this.
Padmanabha Narayana,
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 Sakala Devadi Deva,
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 Kripalu Bhaji Keshava,
Kripaluvaji Keshava,
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 Mahan
जगजननी जगजीवना
वसुदेव देवकी नंदना
वसुदेव देवकी नंदना
वसुदेव देवकी नंदना
वसुदेव देवकी नंदना
बालरांगना बालकृष्ण
बालरांगणा बालकृष्ण
पद्मनाभ नारायण
पद्मनाभ नारायण
पद्मनाभ नारायण पद्मनाभ नारायण पद्मनाभ नारायण
तू काला ओटांगणी
माझ्या ठाव द्यावाची चरणी
माझ्या जावाची चरणी
हे चिकरित सेविनावनी
हेची करीत सेविनावनी
भववंदनी सोयवावे
भववंदनी सोयभावे
भववंदनी सोयवावे
भववंदनी सोयभावे
पद्मनाभ नारायण
पद्मनाभ नारायण
पद्मनाभ नारायण पद्मनाभ नारायण पद्मनाभ नारायण पद्मनाभ नारायण नारायण नारायण
Wonderful. I'm sorry. I'm breaking such a beautiful flow here just because there is one very quick announcement I need to make. Honda Odyssey VL2 10V. Honda Odyssey VL2 10V is blocking someone's car and he needs to go urgently. So whoever is the owner of Honda Odyssey VL2 10V, please move the car so that Sanjay Chopra ji can leave. Sorry for the disturbance.
So this is our last song. This is Krishnashtakam. We will sing it in a very traditional tune, set to Dvijavanti Ragam, Jayavanti in North Indian style, in Aditalam. Vasudeva Sutam Devam. You all know these words, so please chant along with us.
वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् अतसी पुष्पसङ्काशम् आरुणोपुरशोभितं रत्नकङ्कणकेयूरं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् कुटिलालक संयुत पूर्णचन्द्रमणिभाननम् विलसकुण्डलधरं देवं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् मन्दारगन्धसंयुतं चारुहासं चतुर्भुजं परिविञ्चवचूडानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् उत्पुल्लपद्मपत्राशं नीलजीमुखसंसन्निभं यादवानां शिरोरमं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् रुक्मिणीकेलिसंयुतं पीताम्बरसुशोभितम् आवाहतुलसीगन्धं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् शिवसाङ्गं महोदस्कं वनमालाविराजितं शङ्खचक्रधरं देवं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् कृष्णाष्टकमीदं पुण्यं प्रातरुदाय यत्पते कोटिजन्मकृतं पापं स्मरणे विनाश्यति वसुदेवसुतं देवम् चाणूरमदनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्
Thank you very much again, Girish ji. Another round of applause for Yogesh ji, Kanisha Nimaldas, Harshini Sitaram, Sharvari Somaya ji, Priya Singh, Rohan Devraj, Shravan and Satvik Srinivasan, and our friends
Fantastic. You all have been sitting for a long time. Just stand up and give a round of applause. Just for your own bell. It's absolutely stunning. Thank you very much for such a wonderful rendition and your honor, a tribute to Sri Krishna. Thank you very much, Guruji. So, thank you for standing up. Stretch kar lena thoda. ठीक है? Thank you very much.